Bless up. Big up. Attack. Straight attack, you know, my people. Straight attack on the one here right now. See? Well, my viewers and my subscribers, see what go on, you know. Somebody has reached out to Newlink. I don't know the thing for people. A lady has reached out to Newlink. This time, people, you man no do nothing. You man no give him no bun. You understand? But when she reach out to me, it's about the man. Say, Miss a look dirty man. So me I say, boy, my lady, you meet up with the man when the man is a mama man. Why you don't leave the man? But my people, God, I can't get into this thing now, people, see? Well, the lady reach out to Newlink, my people, see? And she say, Newlink, you are going now. You know, so I deal with this man here, see? The man look all army still, you know. You know, so, you know what if all army? You understand? Me ask them they hate people, me I tell them, but a big people them. Me ask hate because me don't want to go in a people business too much. Yes, a Newlink yesterday I'm inquisitive. We want to know too much, I understand people. I reach out to Newlink, me take me I get and me say share it and then say share to the people them and make the people and get them views towards and the thing. Zin, so say Newlink, you know something with this man I do. And I tell you the truth. Everything happen. Zin, the man gone back, gone chatty with his friends, them and gone chatty with people and this and that. Everything in the house. Everything. If me this, if me shit in chat, if me pick some, I say, what kind of thing that now? See? She say, Newlink, me and the man with this have a look. You understand? Because I don't know with the relationship, we have a look argument. And the man gonna tell that there. You understand? She said, maybe if you give man some good sexy man, go tell them how you get this a good sex on him. But, you me people, me I say, yo, me I say to her, I say, boy, that not sound good at all, you know. I like me I tell people, it not sound good, right? I said that can't sound good, it don't sound right. Because, you know what I mean, when you're in a relationship, man, house business and everything you figure chat. You get me, I say? Because the same people we go chat with sometimes, the people of them same one laugh off you and say you're an idiot and you're a fool, you know. You get me, I say? And the same thing them we go talk and them then go run and spread you know what I mean? So no good something, you know what I mean, people, but she did and she tell me one heap of something about this man. So the man can't gossip, the man can't chat and this. So me I say, yo, if you find out them the problem with the man, see, and you're not comfortable with the man, why you don't leave the man? She says she love him. I say, right, you do well then. So, me I say, you have a problem then with something where the man do. You know what I mean? You have a problem with something where the man do. And you rather sit down in a something where you don't like, which you're not going to love the man. Because man, you don't know. So the man is a dirty man. Because I call him a man, the dirty man in a people. See? Because any man will come out and a chat their house business and then sitting there. Maybe if you man put up one big panty and go talk, say you man put up one big panty, you man put a small panty go talk, say man. But a one if you man go give him bun and he find out him and tell people. Boy, I tell you. You know what I mean, people? But me I say, yo, why? Listen me, man. Because me didn't want to talk too much of them people are busy. But listen me I say now. Me saw some man get some heads up about this thing and all. See, if you're from Newlink, man. You see, you know man business. On a yard business, that's a private business in the brass, man. And listen, now some real problem now, which you need counseling, see? You find a counselor and go talk to, or a real brethren who you can trust in a church or a real friend. But there's nothing for you go sit down and gossip and tell everybody and chit and chat. Real man not turn so a dirty, nasty mama thinking man them there. You get me, I say? Man fi learn fi keep what them out and not chat. Y'all over a place about you see? And the worst thing for see man we love chatting of people. Me not like them, you know. I straight attack on them, you know. I wanna, yo, me love see man act like a man. You see a real man, no see them man gossip and chat people business. You get me, I say, you also man people, me I tell you the truth, when there's story, me I go talk now, me I go attack, and me tell you, say me I go attack. No, Zin, you also man, you know, my people. Yo, then stay now. Who man call them? Yo, John, come here. Zin, he come. Why go on, sister? Wow, long time I don't see you. Hey, boy, you know that? You know say that this already there. And him dead and him, you know. And him start make one heap of sitting and start chat all people till he know what him a chat say. You get me? I say, man no roll so. Man no sit down with a man and chat people business. A real man skip out of them the thing, they left them the thing, they feed out the careless girl. Real man not answer. Me say any boy. Zin, because a boy can jape and box Newlink, now kick Newlink when Newlink a jump attack them, you know. You see, any boy who you say sit down, Zin, and chatty and lippy, woman stay far from them. Don't go near them. Don't make them see even your jaws ink pan line, now pan boy wire. No make them see, because if they see them, I go chat back. Zin, because real man not stay so. real man. You know a real man? Yo, my people, and every man you see out the toughy, you go like them a bad boy, you go like them a gangster, you know what I mean? Just them drink man, them smoke them piece, them and talk to them. I idiot, them a mama man, them a sissy, them a dog and junker them. Straight attack on them. Because, yo people, me not like man roll so. See? You know a real man though? Real man observe, pray more and talk less. Learn that. You know what I mean? Observe, pray life. You see me? Me wonder how woman do it sometimes, take up themselves, go lay down with a man who love gossip and chat. How you do it or what? Because of money or what? Eh? My God, you don't have no shame. You don't know if you do it. Stay far from them, man. You know what I mean? People, me say if you are my subscriber, boy, me I tell you. So you see for that lady now, here when you newlink advises. You see if this man that continue with them dirty sitting there, run him away. Then run him away. Because no man, if you have your house business all over the place, I tell everybody every this and that and that. Me say my people, me never like people coming to my house, you know. Me never like strangers coming to my house because my wife business is private business. You get what me I say? Me not like people coming to my house because you hear this thing now sometime about the thing and all people, see? You go there you go chat something, bad things and maybe chat bad things about you know whoever if you are the man or you are the woman about the people who you're with. See? You go there you gossip and chat about it, then tomorrow you and the person good again. Oh that look now, and the same person then see you in the back when you go chat with. Don't wanna look. Eh? You don't look stupid in yourself though. You don't look like a fool, you don't look like an idiot, you look like a madman, you look like a madman. Eh? You look like a idiot, yo. Have sense and wise up. Low out certain things, man. A straight attack on that. I say, any boy, where I do it? What me say, people? Attack on them. We burn a mama, man. Tap care the human business come a road. And hey, woman, you know if you do it either, you know. Don't care the business guy road to come here attack the human them too. But because we depend on the man and say, but you know me a man. Because I have to really jump attack a certain style and of a man. Left that to woman. You see me? Because woman make different from a man. Woman we capable of doing certain things so they don't have to do see way. But you see when they see a man I do it like a woman, come on man, go get some jazz and put on, get some panty and put on, get some brassiere and put on and one wig for your head and go on the road because you're a girl, you're not a man. Straight attack by you. My viewers and my subscribers don't know a thing of people. I don't like talk too much, you know. Big up on yourself people, enough love, enough respect. Peace. You must say subscribe, share my video them and do what? Tell everybody about newlink production. What? The artist thing this man. Bless up my people. Attack.